Hey everybody, welcome back to Studio Harida. Anyways, I'm glad you guys are all back. I appreciate the fact that you all subscribed and left comments on the video, and those who didn't, please do so in the future. Now, the reason I'm making another video is that, of course, I'm going to make many videos, and that is because I want to first thank you all for subscribing and giving me a chance to broadcast myself on YouTube, and I really appreciate that. I wanted to let you guys all know that I'm going to present many videos on ancient Vedic philosophy to the best of my ability, as there's so much out there that that can be said, but what should be said. Now, let me further elaborate on what I presented on my first video. Now, the thing is that my first video was a reply to something called the Humans Project. The link is on the side, or that side, whichever side. Now, the thing is, what I'm trying to mention here is that, see, we are eternal spirit souls. We're not these temporary material bodies. You know, in today's world, you know, everybody is out there basing their life on the bodily concept, thinking I and mine, you know. But they have to understand, and an analogy comes to mind here, is that, see, the soul, which is us, is like a bird, and the body, which we possess, is like a cage. So this bird is in this cage, and everybody in today's world is basically cleaning the cage, making the cage look nice, but they're forgetting to feed the bird. So what is the value of a great looking cage if the bird goes hungry, right? So you know, I mean, like, instead of the external, we should look internally. We're not some abstract or impersonal being inside, but we're actual beings, you know. I mean, like, that's what makes us human. That's what's the difference between a dead body and a living body, is that, you know, the fact that there's a soul inside. You know, in today's world, you know, we always think that, you know, I am this body and I have the soul, I have a soul, but in actuality it's the other way around. You are the soul and you have a temporary material body. You know, in today's world, you know, people are looking at this person going, he's Hindu, or he's Muslim, or he's Christian, he's black, or he's white. These are all temporary demarcated designations. In fact, actually, if you want to go through with that, then okay, I understand. You know, I mean, like, this is what we were raised in. But, you know, then we should become maybe better Hindus, better Muslims, better Christians. When we become better, then we will no longer misidentify with any of these particular demarcated designations. As, you know, God is not Hindu, God is not Muslim, God is not Christian, God is not black, God is not white, American or Canadian. Yeah, well, at least I haven't seen his passport, but, you know, I doubt he is. So, you know, let's look at each other from the point of view of a deeper understanding, you know, instead of going, okay, this guy's a black man, this guy's a white man. No, we're all eternal spirit souls in this temporary material body. So, with that, I wish to thank you for watching my second video, and I hope you all keep in touch. Please subscribe, please comment on this video, rate it, even if you hate it, and thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Gaurange Radhuti Pada Jaradhana Sampada Gaurange Radhuti Pada Jaradhana